Hello students, today I have a discussion with you about how we can change an assertive sentence into interrogative. Okay, now start now. At first, what is the structure of assertive sentence? Look at the structure of assertive sentence. Subject, verb and object. Okay, so as you know, there may have main verb and auxiliary verb. You can get here main verb or only auxiliary verb or both. So whenever you want to change an assertive sentence into an interrogative sentence, at first you can do it by following only a few rules. First, just look at the assertive sentence and find if there is any auxiliary verb or not. Find the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Okay, if you see the auxiliary verb in the assertive sentence, just use it at the beginning of the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Very simple. Just look at the assertive sentence and try to find out the auxiliary verb here. If you get auxiliary verb, just use it at the beginning of the sentence. And if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, just if there is no auxiliary verb, there is no auxiliary verb, if there is no auxiliary verb, use do, does or did according to the tense. Okay, if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, just use do, does or did according to the tense. Rule number 3, if the assertive sentence is affirmative, interrogative will be negative. If the assertive sentence is affirmative, interrogative sentence will be negative. If otherwise, that means if the assertive sentence is negative, negative interrogative sentence will be affirmative. Okay, very simple at first. Find the auxiliary verb in the sentence. If you find the any auxiliary verb, use it at the beginning of the interrogative sentence. If there is no auxiliary verb, use do, does or did according to the tense. If the assertive sentence is affirmative, interrogative sentence will be negative. If the assertive sentence is negative, interrogative sentence will be affirmative. Now look at some examples. Okay. Reza is a good boy. Now look, is the auxiliary verb, and to change this sentence into interrogative, use is at the beginning. And look, this is an affirmative sentence, so interrogative sentence will be negative, and not should be used here. Isn't Reza a good boy? At the end there should be a note of interrogation. Isn't Reza a good boy? Now look at another example. They have not come. Change it interrogative by following the rules. Here have is the auxiliary verb, have, and look, here is a not, that means it is a negative sentence, so here not should be used in the interrogative sentence. Have they come? So this is very simple, only these two rules can help you. Now look at more examples. Meena helps her mother. Meena helps her mother. Look, here is the verb help, it is the main verb, and there is no auxiliary verb. So in that case, what can you do? You can use do, does or did. Do, does or did. So as there is s with the verb, so does should be used here. Does, and as it is an affirmative sentence, the interrogative sentence will be negative. Doesn't. Doesn't subject, right here subject, doesn't Meena help her mother. So if the sentence is a past tense, what can we do? She helped, she made a doll. Look here, made is the verb and it is a past tense, so did should be used here. And it is an affirmative sentence. Didn't she make a doll? Didn't she make a doll? Question mark. Okay, these are the rules, main rules of making an assertive sentence an interrogative one. So look at more rules. Everyone or everybody is allowed here. everybody is allowed here. So as there is the word everybody, question interrogative sentence will be who. Starts interrogative sentence with who. Who, and look, this is an affirmative sentence, and who is not should be used here. Who is not allowed here? Who is not allowed here. So if there is everybody, all, anybody, or anybody or nobody. So if you get at the beginning all, anybody, nobody, everybody, who should be used here to make it an interrogative sentence. Okay. If the sentence is so these are the rules I have discussed. If you can follow these rules, you can change an assertive sentence into interrogative. Now look at some questions that will help you. Number 1, the boys will go to school. She can't open the door. She can't open the door. 3, mother cooks for us. We played well. We played well. They may call you. All hate him. Nobody likes him. Okay, there are 5 sentences. You have to change these sentences into interrogative. Okay, just write the answer here. I'm just writing the boys will go to the school. So here will is the auxiliary verb. Right here, won't the boys go to school. Number 1, number 2, she can't open the door. So can is the auxiliary verb, and not is also here used. So start this sentence with can. Can she open the door? Three, mother cooks for us. So here cook is the verb. Doesn't mother cook for us? 4, we played well. So played is the verb and it is also past tense. Did, and here is no not, so didn't we play well. Number 5, nobody likes him. So as there is nobody, start the sentence with who, and there is no auxiliary verb, so does should be used here. Who doesn't like him. So if you follow these rules and practice from your books, you can easily change assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. So that's for today. That's all for today. And be safe at home. Thank you very much.